for another talented performer right here on Guam Idol. Coming up next, singing I Can Love You Like That, is Charles Pendleton.
At the way you felt when Romeo kissed Juliet, and all this time that you've been waiting, you don't have to wait no more. I can love you like that. I can make you my world, more of heaven and earth if you were my girl.
That was a great performance from Charles Pendleton.
That's right. If you're ready to see Charles in the finals of Guam Idol, pick up your ITNE wireless phones right now and text in 7003 to IDOL. This is your last chance to pick a finalist, guys. Start texting now. Now.
Now.
Right now.
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 My name is Charles. If you like the way I sang tonight, you can text on your ITNE wireless phone 7003. If you like me, please text in on your wireless ITNE phones. Thank you.
Up next is Dennis Carmichael,
The Duke.
to sing an original song, Enemies for Friends.
Check it out.